Niet kiridas dondersverder.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy content. So today I'm in Mosselbay and they opened their zipline at the end of January 2020. It's 1.1 kilometers, almost a mile, that you go across the ocean. And today I'm gonna try it out. Not gonna lie, my people nog sewer. But luckily I have a videographer that will catch every screen and hopefully I'll be able to take my little HP GoPro with me on the ride. Let's go! So bad news, not gonna be able to zipline today. The wind is just too bad. So they normally prepare for rain or sunshine, but because of the wind, which you cannot really predict, no ziplining today. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. So this is day one. Failed attempt. So I am back at the zipline here in Mosselbay. Hopefully today I'll be able to go, but it seems like I will be because they wrote my weight on my hand, which is kind of embarrassing. It's like, hey, you're fat, but you can still go on the zipline. So today I'm gonna do it. There's no wind really today. There's a little bit overcast, but that's fine. And then if you look right there, it seems like the tide is coming in. So I might get a splash or two. What I really like about the zipline here in Mosselbay is if you have a GoPro, they give you equipment so that you can attach your GoPro to their equipment. So all you have to do is ask them, listen, I have a GoPro, can you please give me a helmet or a body harness or whatever? And they will accommodate you that way. They're also very accommodating when it comes to booking a new time slot should you miss your time slot due to bad weather conditions. They don't give you a money refund, but they do give you a refund voucher which is valid for a whole year, for 12 months, so that you can actually come and zipline when you make a turn here in Mosselbay again.
So where are you from? What's your name?
Pretoria. Simone.
Simone, tell me, are you ready for this occasion?
Well, no.
Okay, okay, eh?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Nervous? Okay, that's normal. You can't get out of here now.
I'm doing this for the internet, that's all.
Are you also coming? Okay.
What do you think are the chances that a shark will bite me?
No, the shark would only wait for you at the bottom.
So I must actually be in the ocean.
Sacrifice an arm or finger or two.
Here's your wheels.
Oh my
Your Uber ride. You got an Uber ride. Enjoy your ride. Lekker.
Look of a mooi start process.
We can take it off.
Is that on?
Oh, okay. All good, mate. I'm gonna have my
Is that on?
Ja, dat is al 3 minuten gekocht.
Oeh.
Dat is dus hallo.
Stop. Okay.
Okay. Can you come closer, please, sir? Yep. You? Okay. Hello, guys, and welcome to the Mosselbay Zipline. We're gonna give you guys a few tips on the braking and what to do when you get down here. As you can see, there's a red. Hello. On that bungee cord. When you get close to it, please let go and just lean back. We don't want your head to get it, okay? Or you're all right-handed?
Left-handed.
Left-handed. Right. You can see that your gloves are padded. So with your strong hand at the back of the pulley, put your thumb next to your index finger so you don't grip. You just slide on the cable, okay? With your weak hand on top of the pulley. Okay, hands never in front of the pulley, please. Okay. If you want to start braking, you just pull down. Don't grab the cable at all, you just pull down. Okay, and we have 2 simple signs we're going to give you. This is to slow down, you're coming in way too fast. And this is to release. And you let go of everything and you just enjoy it. Okay. They're going to give you another briefing up there. So
My brein is
so okay. Zodra je op is, dan weet je precies wat om te doen.
Alright, there's only one casualty this week, I heard.
And we need to see what's happening from this angle.
Real good? Okay. You guys see over there? The guy on there, that guy. You guys can go straight to him, he'll take you guys up.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You can see this area.
Yep. Here we go.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. I'll slow it down. Say something about it. I'll say.
Awesome, eh? Oh, beautiful!
Nyt se kiridas donders verder.
Alright. Good morning, everyone.
Hallo?
Welcome to Mosselbay Zipline. My name is Vincent. I'm your guide that's gonna clip you guys on to the cable and keep you safe and bring you safe down here at the bottom. Right, so your life depends on me now. Right. Always remember. Right, first of all, it's only few things. I think Jason already explained you guys how to brake yourself. Right. This cable stretches about 1.1 kilometers. The speed limit goes up to 80, 90, 100 kilometers per hour. Alright. So it depends on your weight. More, let's say about 90, 100, you're going very fast. 50, 40, not too fast. Alright. Yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy the ride. Alright.
We will do.
Who will be our first guy?
The expert.
94.
I need to see how this brake thing works first. I've never
First
done
client
this.
94. You see how does he set our leader?
Yep.
He's gonna show us how to do it. His left hand is up here. His right hand is behind the pulley. Alright, so keep it always like that. Alright. If you want to slow yourself down, just press down to the cable. There will be some signs.
Yep.
Trying really hard not to pee right now.
Jeez, now I need to pee.
Just please don't pee your pants. I'm left-handed. I think that's an important part to tell you.
Go on the other
That's
side to me.
That's fucking fair.
It's fair. Jy gaan het geniet, man.
Ek gaan my broek pee.
Nie pipi. Moet die pipi nie. Nou waar jy onderkom en sê jy net as jy wave wat jy goed.
Ek raak dit is pee. Is hy haai is 'n pee man. Ons die probleem is ons 'n GoPro op my kop met alles wat ek nou rekord sê. Ek het gevra vir 'n tandem te sê hulle ek's te dik.
Ja, jy weeg te veel. En 'n combine weight gaan meer as 100 kg.
Fuck it.
Copy that. Sit vir my asseblief.
Seker jy dink gaan my vetboude kan hou.
Ja, jy sou.
Okay, so as ek trek hom net so om te breek.
Ja.
Moet ek baie hard trek. Ek sien baie sterk
Nee,
nie.
is nie nodig nie. Dit liggies, moet net nie jou hande toemaak nie.
Oh, ek kan net op, né?
Ja.
Maar ek kan die boonsteen toemaak.
Ja, jy kan die boosteen toemaak. Wat gaan nie?
Moet ek nou gaan? Ja. Oh, dat ek toch. Okay. Okay, gaan ons. Ek het 9 penny. Ek kan nie nou bykom nie. Ah! Okay, ek het dit daar. Hallo.
Waar Maria? Maria sê dit gaan so. Is dit net hier voor?
Ah, jy sit net hier voor. Okay, hou jou hande af van die kabel af. Anders gaan jy laat ek, anders gaan jy maar dat ek Zulu praat. Jy mag maar nou staan.
Wie kan nie?
Hey, nie kan nie.
Yes,
Kan jy nie? Kan jy staan nie? Okay. Okay. Dat is goed, hè? Kan je maar net op die plek staan? Okay, nader naar mij toe.
Hij springt ook naar een zin.
Je kan het wel weer springen. Maar je hebt goed gedaan. Goed gedaan.
Doe fijne.
Dat vind ik gezien.
Huh?
Je kan maar deel.
Net ander koppe.
Ja, maar die haaien, ek het 'n deel met hulle. Ek swem nie in die see nie, so hulle los my uit.
Jy kan sien by Sandko swem hulle so diep.
Reg.
Daar's 'n video op Facebook.
Ek was uit te gaan. Okay, wat kan ons hier?
Nee, daai. Dat is met swimming with the sharks.
Ek gaan nou daai thanks. Asseblief met 'n dubbel brandewyn.
Waar nog mensen?
Ginger.
Very much. Dat ek die tweede keer so maak.
Daarop.
Oh, maak je hem op.
Ek het geen idee nie.
En je stoot hem net vorentoe.
Ek het alweer gister gekry, so ons weet nie.
Zo, trek hem maar.
Thanks.
Heb je nog hoor?
Waar hy wil.
Ja, laat net maar.